Imagine the frustration of pressing the start button and hearing nothing, especially when you are ready for a great ride. What is the first thing you should investigate when your motorcycle leaves you stranded? When your motorcycle will not start, the very first thing to check is often the battery. You will want to verify its voltage, clean its connections, and inspect its overall condition to quickly diagnose if it is the culprit. The battery is the essential power source for your motorcycle's electrical system, providing the crucial energy needed to crank the engine and ignite the fuel. If it is undercharged, has corroded terminals, or is simply too old, it cannot deliver the necessary current to get your bike going. A healthy battery needs to maintain a specific voltage to operate all systems, including the starter motor, properly. To accurately check your battery, first ensure the ignition is off and the key is removed for safety. Locate your battery, which is typically found under the seat, behind a side cover, or within the fairing. Begin with a thorough visual inspection, looking for any signs of corrosion on the terminals, a bulging battery case, or any visible leaks, which are clear indicators of a failing battery. Next, carefully remove the terminal bolts and thoroughly clean any corrosion using a wire brush or a battery terminal cleaning tool. Reconnect the terminals securely, ensuring they are hand-tight, and then give them an additional quarter turn with a wrench, but do not over-tighten them. Finally, use a multimeter set to direct current volts to measure the battery voltage across the positive and negative terminals. A fully charged 12-volt battery should read around 12.6 volts or higher. If it reads below 12.4 volts, it likely needs charging, and anything below 12 volts indicates a deeply discharged or potentially faulty battery. It is important to remember that even if a battery shows decent voltage when the engine is off, it might not have enough cold cranking amps to start the bike under load. This is a common issue with older batteries. Always remember that a properly maintained battery can last several years, but environmental factors like extreme temperatures and infrequent riding can shorten its lifespan significantly. Regularly checking your battery, especially before a long ride or after a period of storage, will save you from unexpected breakdowns and ensure reliable starts. Understanding these simple checks empowers you to identify a weak battery quickly, allowing you to either charge it or replace it, keeping your motorcycle ready for every adventure.